guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I have a Trader Joe's haul for you today. My mom and I actually had the same days off this week, and my mom had a pre-scheduled day off, and so did I. So we went to Trader Joe's and just did some errands down in Albany. Some of the stuff is my mom's, but I figured I would just throw it all in a haul and show you guys what I and she picked up. So first off is this Greek spanakopita spinach and cheese pie with the phyllo dough, a bag of the Trader Joe's pretzel bagels. So like pretzel rolls, but just bagel form, and these are going to be really, really good. Some of the spinach and cheese tortellini, a steamed pork and ginger soup dumpling with, it says filled with a rich and savory broth, and I thought this would be really tasty. Some of these Marcona roasted and salted almonds with rosemary. I love these. I've had them before. They're delicious. 2 of the baby zucchini. One is for me, one's for my mom. I just like to throw these on the grill or roast them. They're really tasty. I got some dark kettle cooked russet potato chips for my husband. He likes any kind of dark russet chip. Some of these gourmet jelly beans. These are for my brother for Easter. A package of the sliced prosciutto here. It's like the thinly sliced prosciutto. Some Colby Jack cheese sticks for Matt. Or it's Colby cheese and Monterey Jack, sorry, for Matt. Blueberries, we got the big container, and my mom and I are actually going to split this in half because it's the large one. It was like 5 something. We got a bunch of the baby broccoli. There's 4, so we're each going to take a couple of these to roast, steam, whatever. We just love this, and my Walmart doesn't carry this, so whenever I go to Trader Joe's, I try and remember to pick it up. Also, some turkey bacon for my mom, and then we each got a bag of the raw Argentinian red shrimp. I've heard from multiple people how good this is, so I decided to try it. It is $10 for a pound, so it is pricey, but I've heard, again, multiple people say it's delicious. So 1 bag for me, 1 bag for my mom. I got some cinnamon toast, or cinnamon square, like cinnamon toast crunch cereal for Matt. I got some chocolate chip chewy granola bars for Matt's lunches. My mom got some sweet potato fries. I'm going to try this Trader Joe's ranch dressing because we do like ranch. I also love these. They're the candied walnuts. They're really good for snacking or on top of a salad. Really tasty. My mom got this 4-pack. These are the Globe artichokes, and they're like a smaller version. They had large ones, but these were on the smaller side, and it was like $3.50 for the 4-pack. I also got this PB&J snack duo. It's crispy peanut butter filled wafer sticks with raspberry jelly dip. I got some yogurt, low-fat yogurt tube things for my son. Some whole milk strawberry, beet, and berry yogurt pouches for Grady. These looked really good. They are a fruit jelly. It says kettle cooked with real fruit extracts. Little jelly candy. I got some Swiss cheese sliced for my husband's sandwiches. Some yellow squash for grilling. And then my usual bag of the Eric green beans. They're like the really thin green beans. And it's the big 1 pound 8 ounce bag. I can get many sides out of this, but this is everything we picked up today at Trader Joe's, and after this I'm going to have a Walmart haul as well. Alright, so this is a haul from Walmart. I also did a meat stock up, but I sometimes show you guys, but I'm not going to show it this time because it's literally just meat from a meat counter at the Fresh Market that's wrapped in the brown paper, so you can't see the meat. But I did get chicken breast, ground beef, sausage, ground turkey, my usual kind of suspects. And as you saw, I stocked up on some produce at Trader Joe's. I also got some produce last week. I went to Aldi and got some things. So this is just the rest of the things that I needed to get me into the week, upcoming week. So I got some strawberries, some blackberries. Grady asked me specifically for blackberries, so whenever he asks me for fruit, I get right on it. We are doing Nathan's hot dogs this week for dinner one night, just on the grill. These are the ones we like. They are the cheddar beef franks, and I just like the Nathan's. They have no fillers, no byproducts, no artificial flavors, etc. Obviously, hot dogs aren't healthy, but we do like to have hot dogs or hamburgers every once in a while, especially in the warmer months. I also got hot dog rolls, of course. I like the top sliced Pepperidge Farm ones. I got the Great Value jumbo shells because for Easter, I'm going to help my mom, since she cooks a lot of stuff for the Easter dinner. I'm going to make some spinach and sausage stuffed shells. So of course I needed the actual shells to make them. Chopped spinach to go in these stuffed shells. I already have sausage. I already have sauce. I did forget the ricotta cheese, but I can just easily pick that up before Easter. And I already have mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. I had a random coupon for a product from this brand. It didn't have like exclusions. It just said Taylor Farms products. So the coupon was $1 off. These are like $2, so I just grabbed this for $1 to throw in my husband's lunch. It's just carrots, broccoli, ranch, a turkey jerky stick, and a cheddar cheese stick. So again, just $1. Use a coupon, throw it in my husband's lunch. It'll be easy. I also had a Jack Link's coupon. These are the beef and cheddar combo pack. I won't eat the cheese, but we do have these on auto delivery now, just the beef stick, not the cheese. So I just grabbed this because of the coupon. These, I have been waiting desperately for them to come back in stock. They're almost always sold out. This particular flavor, it's the peanut butter and honey. I'm obsessed with these. Like, these are really good. I don't know what it is about these, but I'm glad I got 2 boxes because for the past month, they have been completely sold out. Every other flavor is fully stocked, and this is the one that's always sold out. I do not know what it is. Apparently other people are onto it. I probably should have gotten 3 boxes, but I love these. They're just easy to eat on the go. You know, have as a snack. They're just really good. I got my sugar-free Coffee Mate, the Italian sweet cream. That still has plenty of creamer. I did get a small thing of whole milk. I rarely ever buy milk at all, but I did get this because you guys saw it from Trader Joe's. I got that Cinnamon Toast Crunch, the Trader Joe's version. So of course I wanted to get some milk to, you know, give to my husband with the cereal in the morning. I got Welch's Fruit and Yogurt Strawberry Fruit Snacks. Grady likes these. I did get this tea for my mom. It's the Twinings brand Cold Infuse Flavor Cold Water Enhancer in mango and passion fruit. She asked me to see if I could find a mango tea that she could use for iced tea. So I got this. It's a 12 pack. So it has like 12 infusers in it. I don't really know much about tea. I'm more of a coffee drinker, but I did get that for my mom. Pepperoni for snacking and pizza. I got a couple of these Blippi toys. My son really likes Blippi still. We were actually supposed to go to a Blippi show, like an actual, he was doing a tour. This is right before the pandemic. And we had tickets, we had front row, we had meet and greet tickets to go to the show in New Jersey, but of course everything got shut down because of the pandemic. So we are going to go when, you know, everything gets reinstated and dates are announced, either in New Jersey, New York, or Massachusetts. But anyways, I don't know why I went off on that tangent. I got him these Blippi lunchbox surprise. He collects the figurines of the balls, the surprise balls, but he doesn't have any of these. So I think he's really going to like them. They were $6.88 each, and I'm going to actually put these in his Easter basket. I don't put candy in his Easter basket because I use the candy for the Easter egg hunt. The little plastic eggs, we hide and fill them with candy and money, so the basket just has other things besides candy. So these are 2 of the things that are going to go in there. I like these plastic bottle Snapples from Walmart. They're $1, and I pick a couple of them up usually every week. I got the pink lemonade, the Snapple apple, which is really tasty, and the raspberry peach. Again, my husband's lunches. I got the Go-Go Squeeze, the fruit on the go pouches. This one is apple, mango, strawberry, peach, and banana. I got another 12 pack of the Cheez-It Extra Toasty. I bought a 12 pack of these either 2 or 3 weeks ago. and they're almost gone. I've been either packing them for my husband's lunches, or Grady sometimes takes one to school for a snack. They're just really good, and I like these portion control bags. I also got lightly salted, less sodium tortilla chips. We like the Tostitos brand. I think I'm gonna do nachos, some kind of sheet pan nachos one night, so we needed them. I got the Lysol laundry sanitizer. This is the one I like. I've used the Clorox version of this, and I don't like the consistency of it. It's kind of like a gel. This has a watery consistent, and I just like it better. I got strawberry, great value. This is the flavored sparkling water beverage for myself. I've mentioned before these Clear American fruit drinks. I like them personally, but if you are somebody who does not like the diet taste, you will not like these. These do have an artificial sweetener in them, just letting you know. And I did get the bubbly blackberry, which is one of my mom's favorite drinks in general to drink. I just like to have them here at the house for when she comes over. She usually comes over either every week or every other week because she's fully vaccinated now and things are really loosening up here. So I just want to have these, especially now in the warmer months. We do a lot of outdoor activity and I like to have things to offer to my mom and guests. But anyways, this is everything for the day that I picked up. I'm going to share now my meal plan for next week. Alright, so meal plan for the upcoming week in no particular order. One night we're going to have that Trader Joe's shrimp. Apparently from the package it tastes like shrimp and lobster combined. It has like a sweet flavor. So I'm going to do a sheet pan dinner with this with roasted veggies, and then I'll serve the shrimp and veggies over rice. We've got chicken breast that we're going to grill up. I have a bunch of different marinades. So I'll marinate the chicken breast and we'll grill it with some veggie skewers on the grill next week. For our no meat night, I'm just going to do some minestrone soup. I have all the ingredients ready to make it, and we'll have some kind of bread or roll on the side. I'm going to do some meatloaf one night with roasted potatoes. I have regular potatoes and red potatoes, so I'll roast some of those, and then veggies. I'm also next week going to do some turkey chili with sweet potatoes and black beans. It's a really easy recipe. It has like tomato sauce with the sweet potato, black bean, onion, garlic, and the ground turkey, and I'll just do a Jiffy cornbread mix with that. I'm going to do either taco salads or chef salads one night next week as a dinner, and then of course I have my freebie night as well, and then after that it's already Easter, which is crazy that it's going to be April. So I hope you enjoyed the hauls, the meal plan. Have a great weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.